Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Sayyida Iffat and I welcome you all on behalf of GMCI Global Montessori Coaching Institute to the Jolly Phonics sounds. Sound group is 2. Group 2, the first letter is K. K. You can call it caterpillar K, you can call it a curly K, and you can call it a clicking K as well. So the name of the letter is C. The sound is K. 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 And the action is K. 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 The second sound, which is the same but the letter is different, which is K. Letter K says K. 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 The name of the letter is K and the sound is K, but the action is different because kites are flying in the sky. Eh. Eh. Eggs in a pan. Eh.
Eh. Egg.
Crack the egg like this. Eh. Letter H, the name of the letter is H and the sound is Letter R, the name of the letter is R and the sound is R. You see the puppy rip the rag, so there's a rag in your mouth and you say Letter M says yummy meals. D says D.
D. D.
D. Thank you.